Hi, I'm Katie with Modern Textiles, and today I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite jelly roll patterns, and they're going to be from a variety of different designers. So the first one I have here to show you, I just ripped this off my bed. There's a few in here that we use all the time. This one is the Peaks quilt by Modern Handcraft, and I made it a king size, which then allowed for me to use, I believe it was 4 jelly rolls for this Moda Zen Chic, and then I used a navy for the Peaks. It was a super fun one to pull together. I don't think she has it written for a king size, so I just did the math, added more blocks to however big I wanted the quilt, and I ended up needing, I think it was just a handful more of the vertical stripes. So you can see this one has a couple of seams. I didn't want to go buy a 5th jelly roll just for a few strips. So there was enough offcuts that I could make it work with just piecing some of the jelly rolls together. So this one, yeah, this is like our main bed quilt. The pantograph I used on it is wavelength. It's in my shop, available for stitching out. And all of these, I did my own long arm quilting for them. So moving on to the next one. All right. And the next pattern I have is, I know it's shown in black and white, but this is a crib quilt, and the pattern is mine. It's called Not So XOXO. So instead of the white being in place, that would be your jelly roll is where the white would be. So I believe the throw size requires just a junior jelly roll, so about half of a standard jelly roll, which is 20 strips. And then from there, you can make the background scrappy. You can do a lot of variations with this very simple patchwork block. All right, the next one I have, this is going to be a Lucky Logs cabin. This is designed by Emily Dennis of Quilty Love. This just used 1 jelly roll, nothing else for the quilt top. So no background fabric, anything like that, just a really cute design that if you have jelly rolls laying around, they're going to be perfect for you. All right, I just got this one quilted. I haven't been able to bind it yet. This is Rolly Stacks, which is made by, or designed by Cotton and Joy, using 1 jelly roll and then sashing in between each one. This may look like it has a ton of piecing, but it's all strip piece. So once you have the strips all sewn together, they're gonna go ahead and just breeze on by as you cut them into the required lengths. And yeah, a lot of fun. The quilting on this one is called Honey Honey from Melissa at So Shabby Quilting. Whoop. And then there's the background, and I've got one more quilt to show you. This is probably one of the fastest quilts you can make, and it's a very generous throw size. All the ones I showed you, well, I guess this one, Rolly Stacks, and the Lucky Log cabins is going to be very fast, quick makes. So the last one was designed by Cotton and Joy, and it's called Rolly Stacks. This one is the Hannah quilt, and it's designed by Kitchen Table Quilting. So loads of fun. I'm excited to figure out what I want to do for quilting. I'm thinking something novelty with, you know, all the fast food. It's got tacos, donuts, all of my favorite food groups. And then I paired it with just this blue, I'd have to double check, but this royal blue, which I think really is fun. I love white backgrounds for most of my quilts, but whenever I can sneak in a little bit more fun color, I go for it. And I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So those are the top 5 jelly roll patterns that I think you should check out. So Kitchen Table Quilting for the Hannah quilt. You had Rolly Stacks by Cotton and Joy, Lucky Log Cabins by Emily Dennis over at Quilty Love. You've got Not So XOXO, which is in my shop as a digital download or paper pattern, and then Peaks Quilt by Modern Handcraft. And I'll see you in the next video where I show you how to make half rectangle triangles easy.